Hello, everyone. I'm Leela Sophia Tressimer, and I wanted to share with you some of the inspiration that I've been feeling in regards to this inquiry of the goddess of America. Is there one? Who is she? And how might we each find our relationship to her as an archetype, both from a psychological and spiritual connection, and also as a way of re-engaging the sacred feminine in the nation. I have dedicated my life to working with the sacred feminine and how that arises in me personally, in my community, and as the inspiration for the sacred feminine internationally and planetarily. We're at such a dramatic time in the unfolding of the issues facing life on this planet, and such a dramatic time for this feminine principle to be seen and felt in so many ways, and the demand that we as the humans on this planet need to respond to. What's our place in relationship to sacred union between the masculine and feminine, between ourselves and the planet, her resources, and our relationship with them? I feel strongly that we have an important part to play, both politically, environmentally, and spiritually. I come from a perspective that each one of us has a unique connection to what is sacred to each of us. And it's not part of my intention to impose what that relationship is, but to assist people to discover their relationship with the sacred, and particularly as it affects this country and the direction that we go. So if this interests you, I'm going to do some of these posts briefly over the next few days, leading towards a deeper commitment to sign on for a month-long course that would begin March 21st. If this is interesting to you, you can be in touch with me via email at leelaplays@icloud.com. And I will keep these posts happening, and we'll see whether there's something to pursue here together. Thank you. See you tomorrow.